Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I'm back with another video. Today we are going to print a pattern using recursion. As many of you know that many times we have done it with only for loops, but hardly we do it with recursions. So today we are gonna learn how to do pattern printing with recursion. Let's start. As we know that recursion means calling the same function over and over. So first we need a function or a method. Let's make a method def recpat. We're gonna have to input the parameter. Okay, now first we'll check input number is 1, because if it's 1 we'll not have to print. After the input is done, we'll see if the number is 1. Okay, if x equals 1, and if it is 1, then we do not have to do anything, just we have to put the printing in 1. If we're printing a star, we can print only 1 stars. So do it, print. Here is our six is star. How many times? Of course it's x times. So if it's x, okay, and also return 1. Okay, now if it is not 1, of course it should not be, because otherwise recursion wouldn't be needed. Then we have to do it again, right? Okay, else. So here we have to call it again. Path. Okay, and this time, of course, as we know that we have to put the value out lower, right? So if our number was x, we can put x minus 1. So as you can see that our function is recpat, and after calling it, when it is inside, it is calling itself again. So it makes it recursive function. Okay, now when it is calling it again, after that we can print the line again. Let's just copy it. Okay, done. So now what it will do, that after putting the value here, when we will call the function, it will check if the x is equals to 1. If it is, then it will just print this line and the program will complete it. If it is not 1, then it will go to this section, else. After that, it will say that this function is called again. Then the value will be 1 lower, right? X minus 1. Then x minus 1 will be put here, and again it will check. If it is not 1, then it will come down again here. Then the value will be deducted by 1 again, and same thing will keep happening until the value becomes 1. And when the value becomes 1, it will print our first star, and after that it will come back gradually and print the second star, third star, fourth star. So let's try it. It's done. Let's try calling the function now. Okay, let's do it first with the function. Let's say put 5. Okay, now try running this one. Okay, cool. As you can see, this is our first star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. So our pattern is printed. Here we did not use any loops. It is done by using recursion. And for bonus, if we want to make the number input by user, you can just put here int input, because this is the syntax to take input from Python language for user. Okay, now we can try it again, run. say I'd like to put the number 7, put 7 and press enter. Okay, so it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 lines, and our triangle is done. So this is done. Our next video will try to print another pattern with recursion. So keep watching and like the video, of course share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.